Kamiak Butte is a wonderful and unique ecosystem island. It is, like its neighbor Steptoe Butte, a quartzite formation which is made up of older rock that has been surrounded by younger layers of basalt flows. The butte is around 1,000 feet higher than the surrounding fields and has a total elevation above sea level of 3,641 feet. The hike up to the summit of Kamiak Butte will seem very strange because of the lush forest, unusual for the Palouse region. This microclimate is created thanks to the steepness of the ridge, providing shade and lower temperatures perfect for vegetation. The most beautiful bird's-eye panorama opens from the top of the butte. Rich farmlands, turbine towers, and colorful hills. Palouse Falls State Park is a 105-acre day-use park with numerous recreational opportunities, but the jewel of the park is a well-known Palouse Falls. The water falls from the height of 198 feet into a bowl carved out of the black rock. This view takes your breath away. In order to see the waterfall in its beauty, you need to hike to the top of the basalt plateau. Spring and summer are considered to be the best seasons for visiting Palouse Falls because it's the time when the waterfall increases the strength and attraction. Originally, Palouse Falls had the name Aput Aput, which means falling water, but it was renamed in honor of the Palouse Indian culture. The Palouse legend says that at one time, the river Palouse ran smoothly and flowed into the Snake River, but 4 giant brothers were trying to kill a mythic big beaver. They speared the beaver 5 times, but every time he was speared, he damaged the canyon walls and made the river to bend. The last time when the creature was speared, he tore out a big part of the cliff and made the river to fall. Even now, people say they see the marks of Big Beaver's claws on the canyon walls. Standing in the wildest part of Washington's South Cascades Range, Mount Adams is the second tallest mountain in the state. The western slopes are famous for the beautiful Mount Adams Wilderness Area, a popular destination for hikers, climbers, and campers. The trail that runs through the wilderness area offers breathtaking views of Mount Adams and all its glaciers, spectacular lakes and streams, and alpine meadows full of wild flowers that grow among lava flows and rim rocks. Mount Adams is created out of several lava cones from different eruptive periods. The latest known lava flows are called the Muddy Fork lavas, dating back 3,000 years. The oldest eruption was around 250,000 years ago. The Taklak Loop Trail is a short trail without any barriers that goes along Taklak Lake. The trail is wide, well-graded, and encircles the magnificent, scenic, and popular lake, offering even more opportunities to enjoy views of Mount Adams. This trail runs close to the lake, taking hikers through beautiful meadows rich with wildflowers to the Tak-Tak lava flow from Mount Adams. This 10-mile lava flow is the youngest that surrounds the mountain and is around 3,000 years old. If you look up, you'll see massive piles of broken floatstones rising 120 feet over the ground. The Taklak Lake Loop Trail is a great way to enjoy an up-close look at the volcanic history of this area.
喜欢我的视频，请关注、转发。